Alright guys, here we are, having a conversation with my friend, who is obviously helping us make this video. She sent us some photos, and we asked her to send them to us properly. She told us she would delete them in 5 minutes, so before that happens, I'm going to show you how to recover them. Well, as you can see, they've already been deleted. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to recover these kinds of files quickly and easily. Let's get started. Now, I'm going to show you 2 methods in case one doesn't work for you. Both methods work on Android devices and iPhones, so you won't have any issues with that. Let's start with the first one. Open your browser, create a new tab, and type in this website. You should see a page like this. Now just click on Search and type WhatsApp in the search bar. You should see 2 options pop up. These are apps, programs, or tools that can help. The one you want is called WhatsApp Recover. It says it recovers messages and conversations. Both methods work almost the same, but sometimes they don't work well on some phones. So I'm going to show you the first one. Click where it says Start. You'll need to click on Start Injection, and it will begin the process automatically. Now, we just wait for it to finish. Okay, the process is done, and it sent me to a little window that says I need to install an app to continue. But you have to follow the instructions exactly as they appear here. For example, this one tells me to download, install, and run the app for 30 seconds. So that's what I'll do. I'm going to download and install it now. After installation, you'll need to complete a verification step. Once done, the app is installed. And now, even though it seems like nothing has happened, if I go back to WhatsApp, the message is still deleted. But if I go into my files, tap on Internal Storage, then go into Android, and select Media, I'll find the folder named com.saver.whatsapp. And look, there are the photos that were deleted. As you can see, the 2 images have been successfully recovered with no issues. So that's the first method. Now let's move on to method number 2. Alright, now for method number 2. We're going to open our browser again and go to the following web page. This is essentially the same tool, but I find that in this version called AmigoBot, it works a bit better, or at least it does for most devices. Once here, click where it says Go Chat. Remember, we're on this specific URL. Now, once you're on the page, you'll need to type in the following command. This command will allow you to launch the tool. It's the same process as before. You'll see a series of options appear, and we need to select the one labeled Recovery WP. Once you see it, either click on it or type it in. Then, press the Send button and wait for it to load. It'll first confirm that you're using the latest version of the tool, and it will ask you to input the number linked to your account. Go ahead and enter the number, send it, and wait for a response. Here, it's telling me that the information has been received, and it gives an estimated time for the operation. 122 seconds in this case. Let's wait until that time runs out. During the process, the platform will keep sending us updates. Honestly, this tool is a bit more comprehensive than the first one. Alright, it now says that the backup has been located, and that we need to complete a verification step. Simply click on the Verify button. What's important here is that it also tells us where the information is being pulled from. After clicking Verify, you'll see a screen similar to what we encountered with the first tool. Complete the verification as we did before. Okay, we've verified it. It now shows everything in green and confirms that the following items have been restored: conversations, messages, files, and images. Let's check it out. Go to your folders, and as you can see, the files and images are there. Guys, we've even restored the same file twice, so now it's duplicated, proving that the restoration process works. In short, this method works almost identically to the first one. These are 2 quick and easy ways to recover your files, images, audios, and videos from WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.